Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to increase the quality of video. First, let's talk about planning. Before you even hit record, it's crucial to define your video's purpose and who you're trying to reach. A clear script or outline will guide your content, ensuring a cohesive message. Don't forget to plan your shots and lighting. This preparation saves significant time later and elevates your final product. Next, let's optimize your filming setup. Lighting is paramount. Aim for natural light or a three-point lighting system for professional results. Poor audio can ruin even the best visuals, so invest in an external microphone for crisp sound. Finally, stabilize your camera using a tripod or gimbal to eliminate distracting shaky footage, making your video much more enjoyable to watch. Now, let's move into post-production, where the magic truly happens. Editing your footage for pacing and flow is essential to keep viewers engaged. Color correction and grading can transform your video, giving it a polished, professional aesthetic. Don't overlook audio. Mixing and mastering ensure your sound is clear, balanced, and free of distractions, significantly enhancing overall quality. Finally, let's discuss exporting and sharing your masterpiece. Always export your video in the highest quality possible, such as 1080 pixels or 4000 pixels, to preserve detail. When uploading online, select appropriate compression settings to maintain visual fidelity without excessively large file sizes. Share your video on platforms where your target audience spends their time, maximizing its reach and impact.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.